So you signed up for affiliate programs and you're trying to do affiliate marketing on Instagram, but your affiliate links are not working. In this video, I'm going to explain to you why they may not be working and what you can do instead. What's up guys, my name's Andy and I help people learn how to use technology to build an online business and create a life of freedom. In this example, it would be using Instagram and affiliate marketing to build an online business or to earn an online income. Now, if you've watched my other video about Instagram influencers, or Instagram affiliate marketing for beginners, you learned how you can use affiliate links in Instagram posts. But a big problem that I'm seeing with a lot of people is they're saying stuff like, I'm posting my affiliate links, but I'm not getting credit for the sales. Why is that? First, we need to understand how an affiliate link actually works. An affiliate link is a custom tracking link with a cookie, not like a chocolate chip cookie, but a website cookie that tracks users' behavior on the internet. So let's think about it this way. We'll talk about Amazon Associates because that's a very popular affiliate program. When you go onto Amazon, you can get a custom Amazon link. Let me actually show you right here. This is gonna be easier just to show you on my computer. Okay, so right here within my Amazon Associates account, you'll see this black bar, you'll see this gray bar up here at the top of the screen that actually allows you to make anything into an affiliate link. So if I were to just click on, well, let's just find something, vacuum. Okay, Eureka, great. So if I found this vacuum and I'm on this page, I can actually click right up here at the top, get link, text, and get this custom affiliate link. If I were to share this link anywhere and someone clicked on it and bought this vacuum or bought anything on Amazon, I would get paid a commission for that sale. That's how Amazon Affiliates works. So this specific link with these random letters and numbers is specifically assigned to me. So Amazon knows when someone clicks that link, I get credit for whatever they buy on Amazon. They also add what's called a cookie to the link. So when someone clicks that link, it stores a cookie on their web browser, and then they can shut their computer down, close their computer, go do something else, go to bed, come back tomorrow, as long as it's within 24 hours, go to Amazon.com and shop. I will still get credit for whatever they buy within the 24-hour time frame. Because that little cookie gets stored on their computer and it knows anytime someone comes to Amazon in the next 24 hours and buys something, Andy gets credit for whatever they buy. After 24 hours, it expires and I no longer get credit. Other companies have different cookie durations. Some have cookie durations of 3 days. Some have cookie durations of 30 days. Some have cookies of 90 days, meaning someone could click on my affiliate link, decide, I don't want to buy anything today. 3 months later, go back to the website and it remembers that I was the one that sent them there 3 months ago and I get credit for whatever they buy. So that's the amazing thing with cookies and affiliate marketing. However, let's jump back over to Instagram and talk about why your affiliate links aren't working. To do this, I'm actually just going to click on a link right here in my Instagram profile and show you what happens. So I've got a link tree, so I'm gonna click on Linktree. Let's click on Learn How to Blog. Okay, so here we go. I'm right here on my website, which is awesome and great. But something to notice that is very, very important when you're considering affiliate marketing on Instagram. Notice that the web page opened in Instagram. It did not open in Safari. It did not open in my Google Chrome app. It opened within Instagram. So look, if I were to go back, I'm going back to Instagram. Watch this. Click on the link, see how that little pop-up comes up? This pop-up thing you're seeing on my screen is Instagram. So whatever link I go to, everything that I'm seeing on the internet, all this is in Instagram. If I close this, I'm back in Instagram. This is not Google Chrome, this is not Safari, this is Instagram's web browser. something to keep in mind with Instagram links. Instagram's web browser that it uses when you pop up links, Instagram's web browser does not store cookies. So if you have an affiliate link that says like, oh, we have a 30-day cookie or Amazon 24-hour cookie, and someone clicks on your link, like let's say you have a link that says, buy my blow dryer. I talk about that in another video. Buy my blow dryer. I got the link in my bio. And they click your link. It opens up an Instagram. They're like, nah, not today. I'll buy it tomorrow. They close it. Then they go back on the next day and they're like, oh, I'm going to buy that blow dryer. And they open their Google Chrome app and type in Amazon and go to the blow dryer. You're not getting credit for that sale because that's not in Instagram, and Instagram doesn't store cookies. So when you're affiliate marketing directly in Instagram, meaning you have a link in Instagram in your story or in your bio, they have to make that purchase immediately. That is a super, super important detail to remember when you're doing affiliate marketing on Instagram. If someone clicks your link, opens up a web page, Amazon, whatever it is, they have to buy right then and there. Or they're gonna have to come back, I guess, on Instagram and click the link on your Instagram. But if they don't buy it right then and there, you're not going to get credit for that sale. Another important thing to remember, and I guess this just as more applies to smartphones and computers, is that cookies are browser specific. So if someone goes to an affiliate link on the Safari app, let's say that's like your default app, that's kind of how my phone works. So it's something to keep in mind. When I'm on like emails and stuff and I'm clicking links, the default is Safari. So it opens the web page in Safari. But I like to just use Google Chrome for my normal browsing. So if I were to click on a link, affiliate link, and it opens in Safari, and there's a cookie, so it tracks for 30 days, but I don't buy it in Safari, and I decide later I'm gonna buy it, but I buy it in Google Chrome, it's not going to track that cookie. You're not going to get credit. You only get credit if it is purchased in the same browser. So if you click a link and it goes to Google Chrome, and then 2 days later you go to Google Chrome again and buy it, then you'll get credit. But if you switch to a different web browser, Firefox, Safari, whatever, you're not going to get credit for that affiliate sale. So that's something else to keep in mind. So how do we get around this issue of cookies within Instagram? I mean, meaning that if they don't buy it right then and there, you're not going to get credit for it. Well, a very good way to get around that is to get people to an email list. Start building an email list through your blog or website. That way you can send people emails off Instagram, off site, driving them back to your website or blog post or whatever, promoting that affiliate product. The bad thing about that is, yeah, it does take a few extra steps for the person to get from click to buy, which is not ideal, but it does give you a chance of success with the cookie, meaning if they don't buy it right then and they come back later, you could still get credit for it. So trying to think of creative ways to get people to your affiliate links off of Instagram on an app on their computer is a better way to find more long-term success with affiliate cookies through your affiliate links. If you have any questions, guys, about Instagram affiliate marketing or about your programs or links with Instagram, leave a comment below this video. I'll do the best I can to answer any questions you might have with your affiliate marketing strategy on Instagram. Once again, guys, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're sharing this video with your friends and you're subscribed, like I said, so you can see all of our upcoming videos to help you build an online business to improve your lifestyle. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. See you in the next video.